A service blueprint is a visual map that shows exactly how a service is delivered, step by step, from the customer's point of view to the internal working of a company. It highlights 5 major parts: what the customer does, what employees do in front of the customer, what employees do behind the scenes, the support systems that make the service possible, and the physical evidence the customer experiences, such as websites, invoices, ambience, or packaging. A blueprint also draws lines that separate customer actions from employee actions, and front-stage activities from backstage activities. By connecting all these dots in one diagram, a service blueprint helps businesses understand how a customer journey actually works, where delays or problems can occur, and how the service can be improved. Companies use service blueprints to train employees, reduce service failures, innovate new processes, and create a smooth customer experience. In simple words, it is not just a chart, it is a powerful tool to see the whole service system clearly, fix gaps, and deliver better satisfaction. Let's understand by the example of hotel management. From customer experience to backstage operations, service blueprint in action today. I am visiting this hotel to understand how a service actually works. As customers, we usually see only the final experience, but there is much more happening behind the scenes. As I enter the hotel, my first action as a customer is simply walking into the lobby, where I notice the ambience, the lighting, the reception desk, and how I am welcomed. I then move to the reception desk and ask what happens during check-in, and I learn that guests are greeted, their bookings are checked, their identity is verified, and rooms are assigned. This is called a front-stage action because it is visible and directly experienced by the customer. Next, I explore what happens behind the scenes, where staff check room availability, update systems, and coordinate with housekeeping. These are backstage actions that customers never see but are extremely important. I also interact with the housekeeping staff, who explain how they clean rooms, prepare beds, restock essentials, and inform reception when rooms are ready. This is a support process that helps the entire service run smoothly. As I observe the hotel, I notice physical evidence like the room key, the reception desk, the bill, the ambience, and staff uniforms, all of which shape my perception of service quality. When all these elements, customer actions, front-stage actions, backstage actions, support processes, and physical evidence, are connected together, they form a complete picture called a service blueprint, which helps companies identify gaps, improve coordination, and deliver a better customer experience. This video is created and presented by Ayush Chauhan for academic purposes. Thank you.